Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam.
Tell me about. You know English, right? You don't know English.
English ما عربي.
Arabic. Tell me something. Something interesting. Tell me about Medina. Medina. Yes. Medina city. Have what? Have Medina city.
ماكدونالدز.
My God.
Kentucky.
McDonald's. You think about eating, yes?
Ah.
Okay. McDonald's and
كنتاكي.
what?
كثير يعني في هذا مسجد قبلتين 7 مساجد شهداء أحد
It's all for Muslim, yeah?
هذا حق المسلم وفي هذا عقوة مدينة هذا في الكتاب كثير فيه
Very good. For tourists. For tourists.
انا تتحرك كل جو
For Muslim and tourists.
طيب
بقدرة تلبس بس
هذا معك
واحد
Yes.
وموجود
Is it good?
Good.
Our
Zaten
person.
cümle
Okay,
mi?
see you. Bye.
Ya Kore kebab.